Hi, I'm Joost, and today I'm unboxing this Polaroid instant camera, the Gen 2 Polaroid Now. Okay, so let's unbox this and see what we get. Here's the camera. And then we get a USB-C to USB-C cable and a little lanyard here. And then there's a little book. Let's look at this. And this really looks like these old Polaroid cameras. We've got the large lens right here. This is where the large picture will come out from. And the button, which is cool and orange. You have this in different colors. I like the rainbow retro color scheme here. You have an on button and then the USB-C charging port right here. And the lanyard, which is pretty sturdy and stretchy. So let's start using this. And it's really easy to use. You just charge it with the USB cable that's supplied. And then you're ready to start making the pictures. Now you just open up the latch right here. And it will look a little bit like a duck. It really is it's an instant camera, so it immediately prints out these cool pictures with an included picture frame. So that's really like, it even looks like the old-timey Polaroid instant cameras, and it feels like it as well.